How to make money on people per hour as a virtual reality developer. So hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. And the method is you're going to create your profile in the platform in order to showcase your skills to the visitors of the platform. So for example, if I was a visitor coming here searching for a virtual reality developer, I will just go to the search and search freelancers, drop the skill that I'm looking for, virtual reality VR developer, and here I'm going to check all of the freelancers that I have in here. So I'm going to go with all offers, and here there is a problem, so I will remove developer, and here I'm going to see all of the offers that are available in the platform and the freelancers that are doing them. So here they are making a lot of money per hour, as you can see, $30,000 per hour, 400 per hour, $50 per hour, 65, 240, 3,500, 150, 25, 70, 25. So I'm going to show you how you can be amongst those freelancers and how to make your profile as well in the platform to showcase your service or your skill. So let's go back to the main page and then go to your top right, click on the freelancer button to proceed to create your account, and here make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer, then sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password, then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to proceed with login. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to enter my email and my password and then login. And as you can see here, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you are serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you are a great fit for their needs. So here click on apply now, and here you complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So you drop your profile picture, then you proceed to add in your job title, for example, award-winning web developer, or you can just go with virtual reality VR developer. Then you proceed to enter in your skills, and the maximum amount of skills that you can enter is 15, so make sure to use those spots wisely. So here let's go with virtual to see what we have. Virtual service reality, let's enter virtual again, virtualization, virtual machine, storage, desktop infrastructure, virtualization, virtual desktop currency, server, desktop access. So that's all for now, virtual reality. Then you proceed to add in a description for the profile. So here you describe yourself to buyers. And guys, in order to make a decent description for your profile, the method I like to use personally is going to the other freelancers and checking their descriptions and seeing or getting inspiration from their descriptions, seeing how they describe the skill, how are they offering it to the visitors or the future clients. So here let's go to the search and click on search freelancers and drop the skill that you're looking for in here, then click on the search, go with all offers, let's remove developer, and here let's check someone's offer. For example, let's check this one to see how are they describing their skill in the description. And as you can see, they've got one sale, but it seems like this is a company, an agency or a company which is offering a lot of skills, not just this one. So here let's click on read more, and from the get-go you'll notice that this is a decent description. It's short, brief, and well organized as well. Every paragraph is separated from the other. So let's read it first. So here we have PeoplePerHour Limited is a UK-based company registered with Company House under the Companies Act 2006. PeoplePerHour has an unmatched 67% repeat clients on PeoplePerHour. This clearly shows how much our clients trust us. Having dedicated manpower of 75 plus highly experienced experts and a network of 250 plus highly acclaimed professionals in different technologies from around the globe, we promise to give you a better experience and unmatched quality. We are probably the largest technology service provider on PeoplePerHour, so you do not need to run door to door seeking expertise. It's what I told you in the beginning. This is a company who is doing a lot of skills, seeking expertise in different technologies. Fair price, timely and quality delivery, and great communication are our unique identifiers. PeoplePerHour is a one-stop destination for all your digital needs. We build trust with our clients by providing a 100% money-back guarantee for all our services and our leads. We proudly hold the top seller badge, placing us on the list of top and most authentic service providers on PeoplePerHour. Get in touch now. So I like the call to action in the last phrase. That's very good. Encouraging the visitors to get in touch with them. So this is a decent description, guys. It's good for taking inspiration. So if you want to edit your description, go to the profile here, click on the edit button, and you will be able to edit everything in your profile. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.